In today's video, I'll show you how to crop an image in Miro quickly and cleanly. Whether you're new to Miro or already using it daily, this will help you make your visuals look sharper and more customized. First, make sure the image you want to crop is already on your Miro board. Click once on the image to select it. You'll see a border appear around it, which means it's active and ready for editing. Now look toward the top toolbar and find the crop icon. It usually looks like overlapping squares or a little scissor symbol. You can also access it by right-clicking on the image and selecting crop from the menu. Once the crop tool is active, a box will appear around your image. Click and drag the corners or edges to adjust the visible area. Dragging from a corner keeps the proportions the same, while dragging a side edge lets you fine-tune the crop freely. When you're happy with how it looks, simply press enter on your keyboard or click anywhere outside the image. The unwanted areas will disappear, and your newly cropped image will remain. If you change your mind later, don't worry, just double-click the image again and you can bring back the full version or readjust the crop at any time. And that's it. You've just learned how to crop an image in Miro in a few quick steps. Try it out to keep your designs clean, focused, and professional. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're creating in Miro.